So I don't want to continue working when I'm older. My name is Sasa. I'm an e-commerce sales executive in a pharmaceutical company. I want my money to work for me, so I don't want to continue working when I'm older. I want to rest and retire. Because it's all about making money, so definitely everything is your favorite part. I think the most interesting will be the options, the CFOS. That's something that I've never come across before. To learn how to invest properly with the step-by-steps taken. For those people who doesn't have any knowledge like me, I think this is a very good program to go through. I think if he's not interested, I won't force the person, but I think maybe I will make him realize that at the end of the day, you still need to invest some of your money. If not, your value won't grow if you just continue to do what he's doing, unless he's earned a lot of money.